In the meantime, let's get started with select number 24. This is 5-box mixer of Select Soccer Euro 2020. This is pick your team break number 24, guys. Let me put these away. Get some regular sleeves and we shall begin. Alright, hobby first. Good luck. $609. Nice. That's the number we kind of want to see. Is that I think that's a case hit, no? If I remember correctly, 609 was a case hit. We'll see. Good luck, guys. I know we kind of don't want to see the 7-7 boxes. Those are not good. Those are not pretty. There's Ronaldo. I don't like these packs. These packs just fall in my hands. I never rip them properly. They dissolve. Come on, let's see a gold auto. Gold autograph. Yeah, case hit or super short print, yep. I think 609, oh that's right, 609 was the only box we got our 101 from. Where's our autograph? Are we gonna get an autograph or what is this? Did I miss it? It's not here. That's our patch. Oh, there's our, it was in the first pack. How'd I miss it? It's a purple auto. Alright, good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck. Got Fuller. Silver Chiesa. Got Ronaldo variation. Nicola Barella. Gjar. Oh, there's a visionary. Good luck. Visionary for Gareth Bale. Nice. Gareth Bale for Wales. Wales, and this one is Mark. Congrats, Mark. Mark is doing well tonight. There you go, Mark. Visionary Gareth Bale. So I guess that is our hit in this one, huh? Yaremchuk. Let's see if we can still get away with a case hit, maybe. Yarmolenko. John Stones is our Triumph patch. Kemal Glick and Suyunku. I wonder if we can still get a 1 of 1. Even if we got a visionary. Because I honestly prefer a 1 of 1 over a visionary, but Thomas Delaney. There's our insert. It is top of the class, Hugo Lloris. Got an orange. Emerson Fernandez, green. Donny van de Beek. Nice. How about a red Kylian? Who's got France? Who's got France? That is James. Nice, nice, nice. 88 of 165. How about James? Continuing to crush it. Guys, give me 1 sec here. Interesting. More Bale. Wow. And got an orange Saul for Spain. Pretty rare Donny Van de Beek here. Yes, Jacob, it's still open, surprisingly. If you want it, it's yours. Take it. Thank you, thank you. Alright guys, we're full on that filler. Make sure to send on over. I'll put you down here. And there you have it. All full and ready to go. That will be our last break of the day, guys. Select 25. Alright, good luck on the auto. Come on, give me a nice name. It's a historic signature and it is purple. Good luck. Oh wow. Is that a case hit? I assume it is. How about a Thierry Henry? Historical significance. Oh, there's lots of him. 27 of 75, but I assume Henry is a case hit, right? Who's got France? That is James. Wow. More fire for James. Congrats. If it was a little bit shorter, I would probably mag it up, but since there's 75 of them. And there you have it, James. Pretty nice first hobby box here. Alright guys, we'll take this down so you can see what's happening up on the screen. Oh, got an auto. Green autograph. Wow. That's a rare one. I think that's my third ever. It is our third ever. So if it is our third ever and we've done 24 breaks, that is 48 boxes of hybrid. So average one every 15. Not easy to come around on the autos in these. A couple of mosaics here as well. Schuler, silver. Nice one here, Tony Cruz, camo. There you go, David. Something for Germany, finally. 43 of 49. Tony Cruz. Sensi. Nice N'Golo Kante here, mosaic field level. Akanji, there's Barella. Got a base, unlimited potential, Rabi Matondo of Wales. Lichtsteiner. De Gea, refractor, and Berezinski of Poland. Mosaic field level as well. Good luck on the auto. A rare appearance of an autograph in a hybrid box. Good luck, guys. Good luck. It is a historical significance autograph. I'm gonna go to Gökhan Inler. Wow, surprisingly, it's my second one. 2 of 3 autos have been Gökhan Inlers. What are the chances with all of them being numbered to 15? There you go, Switzerland. That is Jared. Ouch. Congrats, Jared. Ouch on the head, though. I was hoping for a bigger name. Alright, let's do it again. Should have probably done one auto every 2 boxes. And made less of these boxes would make way more sense then. Is the Swiss Ronaldo? Yeah, it should have included a couple hybrid exclusive numbered parallels, more than what they did, and they should have done an auto every 2 or 3 boxes. An auto every 15 boxes is just ridiculous. How about an Mbappe not following a De Bruyne right away? Surprising. Just a bunch of base. I'm just scrolling. Wow, well, that's kind of nice, I guess. Jadon Sancho. Multi. It's not bad for England. KC Wong. Got 3 breakers joining tonight. Abdul, Danny, and KC. KC Wong with the 732. Danny with the final shot. And Abdul with the 1 of 1 breaks. Check them out, guys. Got our camo in the end here. Nice one, David De Gea. One of the better keepers. Not as good as Edouard Mendy, of course. 36 of 49. Yeah, true. Just even the chance. Oh, wow. And the moment I say that the chance of pulling a silver unlimited potential is very rare, we have one. Number 225. For Turkey, Zeki Çelik. Bunch of printing lines, unfortunately. There's 25 of 25. We got some of the better hybrid boxes in this break. Got a silver unlimited potential and an auto. So not that bad. Not that bad. Nice Lewandowski here. And Felix field level right after. These 2 are very decent hybrid boxes. Very, very decent. Yeah, that it was. Alright, 609, come on. 610. I'm actually excited. That's why I want to make these breaks hobby only, because I actually like this stuff. I like the design of this stuff. I don't like that I don't hit that much in hybrid. Most of the times it's just a waste of time. These two though were on the opposite side. Those were actually pretty fun to break. When you get an auto and a bunch of hits, a bunch of nice parallels too. But the hobby I like breaking because you actually get an autograph and you get a bunch of numbered hits. There's our auto base. That's why I want to get rid of all my hybrid right now and just break hobby. Not so good for the hybrid price, I gotta admit. There's probably more people gonna do the same, but I assume hobby shouldn't fall down in price more than what it is right now, just because people will continue breaking it. Yeah, I gotta admit the Tigers are nice, but they're just so tough to get. They were a little bit more gettable. Green autos are also nice. Alright, I'm calling it 1 of 1. Just because we haven't gotten one in a while. Out of this stuff and forever. White field level, Lucas Fabianski. Blaise Matuidi, Triumph Patch for France. Tree Mertens Blue for Belgium. Gunyok. Zuber Golovin. Got a purple. X Factor Thomas Delaney. Zinchenko. Purple Yaremchuk of Ukraine. Nice. Kylian Mbappe. Refractor to go the red. That's crazy. Whenever James grabs a team, they just keep on hitting. Kylian Mbappe hasn't hit a silver or a numbered card in like 15 breaks. Or like 10 breaks. The moment James grabbed him, he hit both of them. And same's happening to whichever break he joins, whichever team he grabs. Livakovic. Ruben Diaz. The thing that I like about this select the most, as to compare to any other Select Soccer product out there, is the amount of numbered hits you get. Red Hector there, which is a lot. Kevin De Bruyne is silver too, and lots of silvers. You don't get this much color in a 2016 or even a 2017 select box. Like look, we got that Kylian silver, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbered hits and an auto. Pretty sure we get like 4 in 2016 select, but in 2016 select is pretty much just 3 parallels and that's it. Red, blue, and purple. There's way more color variation in this product. It's not Panini. Don't blame Panini. Panini has nothing to do with this time. Panini didn't make a single penny off of the fact that market has went up on this. They made probably like extra some bucks on the cases they sold online, but they sold like 5 cases online. That's a nice box. It's a really nice box. Gunyok to 125, and wow. How about some Shevchenko, Andrei Shevchenko autograph for Ukraine? There you go, Edmund. What a series of 2 autos for 2 hobby boxes. No, they don't set prices at all, Simon. They don't. Yep, secondary market, that's all it is. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it's a combo work of all the sellers. Fortunately, there's nothing Panini could have done. Can't enforce people to sell it at low, especially if people were buying it. It's a scam. Well, it's manipulation, yeah. Not a scam. It depends how you view it. 610. Well, guess good thing it's not a 7-7. So wait, some people make money. Nothing you can do about it. Yeah, it was 600, but I mean they sold like 5 cases, maybe like 20 tops. Red patch here. That's definitely one of our better breaks of Euro. If I was to say, if I was to rate this break based on the autos, it has been our best break ever. So we got both Henry and Sheva. And we got a, hold on, is that a... Interesting. Interesting. Let's put it over here. Is that a dual auto? Would that be a dual auto? Yeah, Sean, that one's already full. No, it's not a 1 of 1. It's a copper, but it's not a historic signature. It's not a base autograph. I wonder if that's a dual autograph. Nice Killian here. More Killians. Then we got a copper Luka. Or Croatia. Nice one here. Oh, Croatia is Ali. Nice hit, Ali here from 1549. Croatia. From the extra spot from the filler from last night. Wow, this is a nice one too. How about Eden Hazard? What a break! Wow. There you go, Eric. Way better break than we usually have of Euros. 38 of 149. Sick Hazard here. These field level numbered hits, numbered parallels look very solid. First one of 65. Grzegorz Krychowiak. Yeah, but 609 is only like the best hits. Once you get a 609, you get either a Visionary or you get like a case hit auto, which we got probably both in the same box. Well, Grzegorz Krychowiak. And then we got our only 1 of 1. Got a tie-dye, looks like. Nice. Tie-dye field level. Nice box here. And that's why I like hobby boxes. Raheem Sterling. To 165. Yeah, I know. Portugal is not getting the love. Let's see if we can get some maybe Felix here. Got a tie-dye field level. Good luck, guys. Is it tie-dye? I assume it is. Oh, no, it's not. It's just a blue. It's a hot blue. Nice Timo Werner variation there. More Modric, 38 of 175. A combination of blue and red and some yellow. Made me think we got a tie-dye. Congrats, Ali. Look at that. Yeah, what's up with Portugal? You know, Seth, get you something here at the end. We got a green, guys. We got a green number 2/5. What a box. What a series of hobby boxes here. Equalizers on Terebic. You love to see it. You love to see hobby boxes with as many parallels as this one. Good luck. Emeralds, die cut number 2/5. This could be a couple of really big names. Gonna go this way. Never mind. Gonna go this way. Wow, Manuel Neuer. Nice for Germany. That is some filler mojo right here for David. There you go. I told you I'll pull you something. Pull you something. That is 1 of 5. Manuel Neuer. Nice hit. I wish it was Kai 2/5. Imagine. Still not bad. Alright, who shall we take down? It's a really good wall. I don't even know. Silver or red Mbappe? Let's take down silver. Maybe we can squish him. Let's see. Yep, jersey number 2. Barely, but they're all up there. Long board, long wall. Yeah, then last few hits here. Good luck. Wojciech Chesney. Kudryashov. More Timo. Not a lot of Kais in this break. Seferovic. A bunch of Timos, no Kais. More Kylian. Then I don't know what we got here, guys. I got no idea. Is it a regular historic? No, it's not. Well, covered by Sabitzer. Oh, it is a dual autograph. And even when we get the duels, we still get the keepers. How convenient. Congrats, Daniel. Daniel Chipman with Poland. Boom. 16 of 25. Nice hit. It's rigged, guys. Whatever we do, we get keepers. I cannot hide from goalies in this stuff. It's ridiculous. Kylian Mbappe variation here too. Oh man. They keep chasing me down. And I run away. But they keep on catching up to me. No matter what I do. In all shapes and forms. Nice duel though. Mag City continues. Nice break here, guys. Very, very nice break. Definitely one of our better ones. Probably top 5 breaks of Euro ever. As a recap of the big stuff, got Kylian Variation, Timo, Kylian, Modric, Copper, and Blue. Hazard Green, De Bruyne, Refractor, João Felix, Lewandowski Multi, De Gea, Camo, Mbappe, Sancho. Nice green autograph here to 15 for Gökhan Inler, 11 of 15. Matondo on the mid potential. Toni Kroos, Camo to 49. Ronaldo Variation, and De Beek, field level. And then a very nice wall. Zeki Çelik for Turkey, 25 of 25. Then we got green Manuel Neuer, 1 of 5 for Germany. There you go, Germany, and David in the filler. Congrats. Then got a nice visionary here for Gareth Bale and Wales. Nice looking card there. And got not 1 but 2 Kylian's refractor and red. Congrats, James. Crushed it. Like 5 more Kylian Mbappe's too. Top of these. Then 2 real nice autos. Andrei Shevchenko of Ukraine. Nice one there. And Thierry Henry of France. Also nice one there. Definitely one of the few better autos to get. And we also got a dual autograph. Lukas Fabianski and Wojciech Szczesny for Polska. The keepers have got us once again. We're still captive. 16 of 25. And there you have it, guys. That's the break. For Neuer, yeah, it is. So, pretty nice set there.